I just love this opening and shutting. The click is just so satisfying. AirPods. You're looking at AirPods and you're looking at one of Apple's most popular accessories. But we're not going to talk about the product. What we're going to do here in this video is talk to you guys about how to clean this useful product. If you look here, I don't know whether the camera is doing any justice to this, but you can see there is quite a bit of dirt trapped and a lot of dust, especially like you can see here. So here and here as well. It's disgusting, guys. This is gross stuff here. So guys, you want to take your left AirPod and get a tweezer. So something on the lines of this. A tweezer you can get in your local supermarket, something cheap and affordable. And all you do is you get the tweezer and just go around the edge here, the AirPod, just picking up all the gunk you can see. But you'll see that you'll get a lot of gunk out. Now, if I just move this closer, go around the edge like this, going left, going anti-clockwise. You'll be surprised at how much dirt actually goes in these when you're wearing these on a day-to-day basis. So really pick up the dirt, and also same applies for here as well. Pick up the dirt through here and dispose of it. Use a tissue to dispose of, and then come back and do it until you clear the gunk out. Then guys, get some blue tack. This might seem strange at first, but trust me, this will pick up any unwanted dust. So you get your AirPod, my left AirPod, and just stick it onto here and just pick up all the unwanted dust on here. Sometimes you get dust which from the naked eye you can't really see, so this will absorb all the dust. As you can see, with this method I've been able to pick up a lot of gunk from the inside of my AirPod as well, so it's important to work this through the side of the AirPod like so. So guys, what you want to do next is get your left AirPod, get a wet wipe. This will help to sterilize the AirPod to remove any unwanted bacteria. Again, get really in the frame, in the body of the AirPod. So then guys, you want to get a microfiber cloth like this, get your AirPod and start rubbing the microfiber cloth onto the AirPod just to dry it from the wet wipe. And guys, now you're all done. We've got a clean AirPod. Trust me, what I can see right now is a much more cleaner looking AirPod than before. Now guys, what you want to do is literally replicate that with the right AirPod. So literally just do the same thing as you've done to the left onto the right. I'll give you a quick snapshot. So now we're going to take a look at how to clean the AirPod case. So you're going to want to use your tweezers to go around the edges here, the bits you can't quite get, so like around here, just to get the dirt out. Make sure you use the blue tack to clean your AirPod case as well. So just like with the AirPods themselves, just stick and release across it. Once you've used a wet wipe, use the microfiber cloth to dry it. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, to be part of this wonderful CntrlAltTech family. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good day.